City Connects is an evidence-based and a school-based approach to addressing the out-of-school needs of low-income children, challenges that significantly impede their ability to learn and thrive. We do that by identifying the strengths and needs of a particular child, one child at a time, and every child, and then accessing the resources in the community to complement the needs and strengths of the child.
In order for kids to be successful in school, they need lots of different things. A kid might need a backpack, a winter coat. She might need counseling, a family service center. And those are all of the kinds of things that your City Connects coordinator can connect you to.
One advantage of City Connects is that it takes a multi-pronged approach to solving a multi-pronged problem. The disadvantage and also the advantages that we see among families in poverty are not the same from family to family and child to child. So if children are coming through the door and they have many cognitive and learning strengths, they can maximize those cognitive strengths.
We've got kids who are coming in with significant amounts of trauma or significant amounts of food insecurity or housing insecurity, and those things can play out in a kid's school day. What they come into the building with is what their teachers are going to address, what I'm going to address, what the principal is going to address. We have people who are tied to this neighborhood, both who are the families and who are the teachers, and it really is a community school.
It's not just academic success. They provide different supports. And a lot of times, if you hear kids' stories, sometimes it's hard for us to comprehend what happened at home.
It was started back in the late 90s. We did it by relying on developmental science, and we worked very closely with practitioners in the community. We were able, in a sense, to create a system that built the proverbial village around the child.
From the outset, City Connects was very concerned with collecting data to be able to evaluate the impact of the program and, even more importantly, to provide information that could be used to refine the program, improve it so that it could be more effective and more efficient.
We see pretty dramatic impacts on academic achievement. Their dropout rate in high school was half when we compared them to a group that was equivalent. Teachers have long known that these out-of-school needs make a difference, and they've done amazingly well in some cases of getting resources for children, but that's not their job. When they have somebody in the building that can help them do that, they become very engaged. If we can scaffold the right supports around the right child and use existing services and enrichment opportunities, then we've figured out a system to build the village.